I got a few now. That's the Silber Turbo Quiet. Silber Turbo Quiet on the 9. We heard that already. Ooh. Damn. That's mellow. That sounds really mellow. Damn. That's the RLS Stealth. Dude, they call it the Stealth. You got the baffle in there too, though.
Yeah.
If you take the baffle out, how is it?
A little louder, but not
It sounds like the Stealth.
yeah, kind of.
It's like almost stop, but it's a 900, so it gives it more of like a 600 feel.
Yeah.
It slows it down.
Yeah. I didn't really want.
This is Gold Leader. We're starting our attack.